Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. I will show you in this video how to download the Reels on your Facebook easy and quick. Let's do it. So all what you have to do right now is to open your Facebook like this, and then you should go to this three line. You would choose, for example, Reels. I'm just showing you right now, and right now it will show you all the Reels. But first I forgot to tell you that you need to install or download Snaptip from any place. So it's very important to have it. Go again to your Facebook. For example, I want to download these Reels. I will just click on the share button. I will scroll this to this 3 point or more, and I will choose Snaptip. And right now what I need to do, it will take me to another page, and I will just click right now if I wanna download it as a video or as a music. You will, for example, select this and click download. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.